Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing a good cut and getting it ready. This affects flavor and cooking time. Once chosen, let the steak sit 20 to 30 minutes to approach room temperature so it cooks evenly. Pat it dry to ensure a proper sear, then lightly coat with oil and season generously with coarse salt and cracked pepper. A touch of garlic powder is optional. Make sure the pan and tools are ready while the steak rests so you can move without delay. You heat a heavy skillet until it just begins to smoke because a hot surface creates that flavorful crust. Use oil with a high smoke point. Once hot, place the steak and press gently. Sear 2 to 3 minutes per side for a 1-inch steak, using tongs and resisting the urge to flip constantly. If the steak is thicker, transfer to a 180 degrees C/350 degrees F oven to finish cooking. Make sure to monitor. You must rest the steak 5 to 10 minutes tented loosely so juices redistribute and the meat stays moist. Rushing this step makes it drier. Once rested, slice against the grain at a slight angle to shorten muscle fibers and improve tenderness. If the steak seems dry or under-seasoned, add a pat of butter or spoon-warm pan just over slices and taste for final seasoning. If something goes wrong, tough, or undercooked, try thin slicing and finishing briefly with sauce or a hot pan to rescue it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.